Welcome back to my channel, YouTubers. Today I want to show you how to make a chamoy rim, which is perfect to dip your cups into for micheladas, or even dip your beers directly into this rim. It's quite easy to make, and all you need is about 5 pulparindos, 1 cup of chamoy, half a cup of tajin. A squirt of orange juice is optional, straight from a real orange, to give that additional sweet taste. But if you do want a thicker consistency, you can opt out from adding that in. All you have to do is stir up the actual pulparindo into a pan using medium-high heat, and that's it until it comes together. Once it does, you can go ahead and add in your chamoy and stir up. You will want to leave this on the stove for up to 10 minutes and stir in between. ready to incorporate the tajin. So you can go ahead and add in half a cup of tajin in full, or like I did, just about 1/8 cup, and then added the additional once the mixture had cooled. You're more than welcome to add it in at this time. You're going to stir until this thickens, and once it does, you can set it to cool. Again, before doing this step and allowing it to cool, be sure to add in a squirt of orange juice, or if you want to opt that out, you can absolutely do that to get a thicker consistency. Also, if you don't want it to be as liquidy, you're more than welcome to add an additional 2 yellow pulparindos into this mixture. Once this is all done, you can go ahead and set this to cool in the refrigerator once you've set it into a container for at least 10 minutes. I needed it right away, so I set it in the freezer for about 5, and it was done and ready at that time. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials that I'll be posting. Again, I do post every Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Sometimes I do post more often if I have more content to upload. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.